Stay tuned to find out how to make the Kiss Me candy jar. To begin, you're going to cut the clovers off of the garland that I got from the Dollar Tree. You'll cut off a decent amount of the clovers because you're going to use them to line the sides of the jar. Next, you're going to use the mason jar that we used in our mason jar 4-way decorating video. And we're going to add Mod Podge to the back of the jar that has the biggest strip of the black paint painted. And this is where we're going to Mod Podge our lips for the Kiss Me part of the candy jar. You'll add the lips to the Mod Podge and then paint another layer on top. While that is drying, you're going to hot glue your clovers along the sides of the jar where there is no paint. You'll just add as few or as many as you would like. I added several because I wanted to cover the entire side that did not have any of the paint. Next, I took this glass writing pen in the color metallic gold and wrote "Kiss Me ... on the jar in 2 different places. And then I took the same glass writing pen and colored in the top portion of the jar. This is so that it will mimic the look of the gold in a pot at the end of the rainbow look. And lastly, you'll add your kisses of your choice to the jar, and this will complete our DIY. And here is the finished Kiss Me candy jar. In honor of St. Patrick's Day, I thought it was a cute twist on a decoration for this holiday. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. If you decide to make this jar, please tag me on Instagram at haiku_creations so I can see your variation of the Kiss Me candy jar. It was so fun to make, and I really like how it turned out. Leave me a comment down below on what kind of candy you would add to your Kiss Me jar. Thanks for joining me for another video. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's DIY. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, share it with a friend, and hit the bell for notifications. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what you would like to see for this year's DIYs. Thank you so much for joining me and always sticking with me. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day. Always keep creating. And remember, I love you guys. All right. Bye.